to another sewing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sew elastic into fabric, which is a lot easier than most people think, and with this technique you'll be sewing it really fast. So here it is. To show you how to sew elastic, I'm going to be making a skirt for my wrist, which I'm going to call a wrist skirt because it will be so much easier. So I've grabbed a length of fabric that is big enough for my wrist, and then I'm going to wrap the elastic around my arm to find the right length. You want to cut the elastic a little shorter than the length that goes around your wrist so that the elastic pulls when you put it on. So I've put my finger at the level where the elastic closes, and then I'm cutting a bit to the right of it to get a smaller piece. It basically needs to be smaller than your wrist. If you want to make a waistband with the elastic, I recommend that you put more pins in than I'm going to. So here I am showing you how to pin a little bit more. So you want to just fold your elastic in half and place a pin on the line. Fold it in half again and place the 2 pins on the new line that you've created. And then you want to stretch it out against your fabric and pin it to that. And I'm quite a lazy person, so I've decided to just fold my fabric in half. I'm pinning the elastic at the ends and then finding the halfway mark by stretching out the elastic and pinning it to the middle of the fabric. You're now ready to sew the elastic with your machine. I've chosen a zigzag stitch so that my thread won't break in the elastic, and you just need to make sure that you stretch your elastic out when you're sewing. Otherwise you're going to have a bit of a problem and your fabric is going to bunch up. Once you've finished sewing the elastic to the fabric, you can either fold it over and hem it so that it's invisible, or you can leave it visible if you want to, whichever you prefer. Both work. And I'm then going to just sew up the sides so that it's like a skirt would be, so that you can see how it looks. Here it goes. I'm now going to put my ever so fashionable wrist skirt on my wrist, no better place for it, and as you can see it keeps the stretch and it doesn't move about because it's elasticated. And there you have it, that's how you sew elastic into fabric. Thank you so much for watching, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again on Sunday.